Hey guys, it's Kevin from Carrectly Auto Care. Today I'll be showing you this custom job that we have here at the shop today. Here we have a beautiful Mazda Miata from 1995, bone stock with 30,000 miles to the dash. We'll be upgrading it with this K-Sport air suspension package imported from Japan. It's a job a bit out of the ordinary and something that most people don't do, but we like to help people see their vision with their vehicles. And if you're a JDM lover, you'll know what I'm talking about. We'll take you through this journey with our techs today and you'll be seeing everything that they do, but we're here to help.